Well, hi, good morning. Now, today again, the market basically, as we were talking about yesterday, and then again since last 3 days, is that we were talking about that we need basically more volumes for the market to actually dip aggressively. We got higher volumes on Wednesday versus Tuesday, and then even higher volumes on Thursday versus Wednesday. That's a good sign actually if you are short selling the market. The second question is, are the bets on the FNO side supporting your conviction? Now the question here is that we are starting the July series on a much lighter note in terms of short positions. So if you take a look at put writing, call writing, index short positions, they're all on a lighter note, which means they're not supporting your conviction. So while you would be saying that yes, Reliance Industries that is showing weakness, you will be saying that entire energy stock, energy pocket, that is showing signs of weakness, and majorly basically you're not seeing actually major participation by indices like auto stocks or which have been the leaders of the rally. So there is not much participation, so perhaps a drift from Nifty down towards 9450, that is on the cards. I would say below 9560, that's a point of reversal. If we cross above that, the trend reverses. We need to close above that. If actually we're not closing above that and we are slowly we are trying to grind down, then it's not 9450 which is important. What actually you're going to see is 9370, which is actually eventually going to come. So I think keep an eye on that and keep your positions with respect to that. Now every time in any market, whether it's short market or bull market, you always have stocks which are actually running. So now there are new FNO entrants, so keep an eye on that. Yesterday those stocks were buzzing. Stocks like ICICI Prudential, good solid 2 days of buying, good momentum breakout. Because of that, ICICI Bank has been able to outperform in terms of not falling with respect to the market. ICICI Bank owns ICICI Prudential, has a very high stake in it. So ICICI Prudential, because of coming into FNO, has been doing very good. In terms of other stocks, there are other FNO entrants also like Chennai Petro, Manappuram Finance, Repco, SRA Infra, but I would say like just keep an eye on all these stocks. They might be in action. ICICI Prudential in particular has actually shown breakout. Other stocks like who have shown good breakouts, those stocks basically you can say as the Minda Industries, Genesis International, those all stocks basically were looking very good. Stocks in the metal pack, expect the metal pack to be doing very good. I've been saying since last 2 days that metals are looking very good. Dollar is weakening, metals basically they are going up. Look at copper trading at another 3-month high. Look at zinc again, has been moving slowly and slowly higher. So all this is good for stocks like Hindalco, Hindustan Copper, Vedanta. Vedanta in particular was looking on a good breakout. So again, the metal stocks should be doing really very good. In addition to metals, buying actually continued in fertilizer space. You have to be very selective. RCF basically there is an FU going on, but apart from that, the irrigation stocks, those are actually looking good. So again, that pocket was doing good. Chemicals with particular industrial exposure, those actually were seeing good buying. Housing finance, actually the mid-cap housing finance, those stocks are seeing really good volumes, good accumulation. So again, keep an eye on those stocks. So overall, as I'm saying, Tata Steel, JSW Steel pack was looking very good. And yesterday we were talking about it, how basically Tata Steel was showing interest in SR Steel also. So if I just look in the steel pack, Tata Steel basically has already broken out. JSW Steel on the verge of breakout. So good buying was seen in the steel category. So if we summarize, what I'm saying is metals looking very positive, steel stocks looking very positive. Keep an eye on housing finance stocks. Basically there was good buying seen there. So overall, in terms of categories, these could be the outperformers. Markets are looking very subdued. Perhaps just be very cautious on how you want to shape your strategy around the markets. Bank Nifty 23,000, very critical support level. If you break below that, then basically the entire correction will get intensified. Till the time you don't break 23,000, Bank Nifty would be looking safe. So overall, take the levels as for Nifty 9560 upper resistance. You get close below that, above that, then there's a reversal on the upside. Below 9370, this is what you could be looking at. There could be argument that 9400, 9700 is FNO range, but I think that range will get expanded if Nifty continues to drift downwards. For Bank Nifty 20,000 is where the support is, and if you look at the resistance, again that could be coming close to 20,550. So there's a 500-point range there. Out and out could be a subdued day because the global cues are negative. If you are a treasury trader, then euro dollar, pound dollar, they all are trading positive. They all are looking very strong. And if basically you're an equity trader, just watch out for the stocks we have talked about. Thanks and have a good day.